Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create PDFs from your files on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my Drive and I have a tutorial document that I created right over here. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to turn it into a PDF. Now, I can do it directly through Drive. However, I can't access it through Drive, which I'm going to be doing. I'll just double click on it and it'll open up a Google Docs folder. As you can see, it is a very simple and basic folder, but from here is how we're going to be converting it into a PDF. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to export this or download this to your system to actually be able to export it, and you can select what you want to download it as with whichever extension. And as you can see, if I go into File and hover over Download, as you can see, I have all these extension options. However, I'll select PDF, and as you can see, it has just downloaded as a PDF on my computer, and that's pretty much it. To do so exclusively through Drive, you just download the file onto your system, use a converter online, and then you're good to go. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.